So today's video is going to be around the energies for the 29th of March. What is this new moon and the solar eclipse going to bring in your life? By the way, it's very hot and humid out here. You can make it out already, but it's been quite a while since I've uploaded this video. I wanted to do it way back, so I wanted to go ahead and check the energies for the new moon and the 29th new moon and the planetary conjunction which is going to take place. This 29th of March is considered very powerful, very strong, because the the solar eclipse, the new moon, and the planets which are aligning in the sky, in the universe, will make or break many situations, many relationships. This is considered to be the most strongest day when it comes to the all the black magic activities and all the spell work and all the white spells and all that spell casting work or the healing work. It is considered very strong day to do all these work. uh, so, in case if you would like to go ahead and book a session with me, I have launched the special. This is a budget friendly special for majority of the people here who has been looking for a 1 day special. So you can go ahead and book it. I have very few, very limited slots remaining now. Any spell that you pick apart from 21 days road opener and mind magic spell will cost you 6666 for 1 day spell, or $150 people who are watching from outside India. All right, so let's see whether this 29th, a new moon energy, the solar eclipse energy, will make it happen for you. Will it make it, or will it break it for you? Will your ex return, or is there someone new on the horizon for you? So this particular reading is going to resonate with majority of you people who are dating, who are not dating, who are single, who are in a separation, who is in a no contact situation, who are looking for answers, who are searching for answers. Guys, this is it. All right, so close your eyes quickly. You already know the drill. Close your eyes, say your person's name or any person's name who is in your mind, and double tap, hit the like button, subscribe my channel if you're a cross watcher, and drop miracle in the comment section. The very first card that came out is presence. No matter how much we fight, you stay on my mind 24/7. So this says it all. Somewhere down the line, I feel that your person definitely is looking out for you. This is for somebody who has recently got into a fight and thinking whether is there a reconciliation possible with my person, is my person going to reconcile with me or not. Then the answer is absolutely yes. No matter how much you guys fight or get into an argument, they always think about you. Vibration, there is something that connect us all the time. So I do see this somewhere down the line, even though you guys have fought recently and you're thinking that what is going to happen, will my person reach out to me or not? The answer is absolutely yes. They are going to reach out to you, they are going to speak to you, and they are going to connect with you, because no matter what, you are the one for them. You are the one they want to spend their life with. Foundation, our love has no expiry date. I want to grow older with you. Such a beautiful card to receive. They really want to have a life with you. They want to grow old with you. And we have impatience. Life is too short to wait, dying to meet you. Can be it's a long distance relationship, or your person, or you are traveling. That can also be a possibility. And now, since they have this sudden realization, they can't stop themselves. Attraction, I am fascinated with your beauty but not serious. Initially they may not be serious. So you know what I feel, recently you guys got into an argument, because of which you may have had some argument, some distance. But right now I do see that no matter what, how much you guys are going to fight, at the end of the day you guys will always come back together. I do see this, something tells me that this distance is making them think about you, miss you even more, kind of value you even more. this relation even more, because something tells me that initially this person was not very serious, and you may know it already. Okay, you don't need to hear this from me. Majority of you are aware that this person did not take it very seriously initially, but now all of a sudden everything is becoming real and very serious between you and your person. And for your person, this is a realization that is going to come in, and that is coming in their life this 29th March. I'm telling you guys, do not miss this opportunity. This is a very, 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 very strong um, day, because of so many things happening. Not only new moon, but solar eclipse, six planets aligning in the universe. Everything will make push everything in a forward direction for majority of you. So do not forget to book the spell work. And guys, if my spell work do not give the result, nothing else will, trust me. And if it is meant to be, this spell work is going to make things happen for you. Push, boost, whatever, it is going to do it for you. But if it doesn't happen after that, then that is not meant for you. That's how strong my spell works are, and you guys know it already. There are so many testimonials I do not even put up, because obviously you can't be putting up each and every testimonial all the time, right? So let's see. Again, think of your person right now, say their name, click the like button, drop miracle in the comment section, and let's see what are the current thoughts and feelings of your person towards you right now. What are the current thoughts and feelings of your person towards you right now? Four of Cups. Right now they feel that whatever they did in the past, they do not have to repeat the mistakes again. Probably in their past they are carrying a lot of emotions, a lot of wounds from the past. It seems like this person is quite disheartened, disconnected, and it seems like that, they may have done few blunders in the past, because of which they are still regretting, and they do not want to repeat the same mistake with you. All right, Ace of Cups, beautiful card. The Ace of Cups somewhere down the line tells me that your person's emotions are overflowing. They cannot contain the emotions anymore. They cannot keep everything to themselves anymore. The emotions are overflowing. They really, 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 really madly, deeply, they are in love with you. And trust me, guys, when I say this thing, I'm not going to show this third card, because I want to disclose it in a very different way. So I see that, in the past things were not going according to you. There was a lot of disappointment, delays in this particular connection. But all of a sudden, as soon as this 29th March will pass, your person's feelings will change 360, 180 degree, 360 degree, 180 degree, whatever. Okay, your person's feeling is going to change 180 degree for you, and all of a sudden you will see a drastic change. I'm hearing I love you. I'm hearing let's get married. I'm hearing you are the one for me. I want to grow old with you. You are the one for me, and I want to spend my life with you. All right. And I would not be surprised in upcoming 24 to 48 hours. In case if there is a no contact situation, this person is going to reach out to you. The Ace of Swords with the clarity. This person was confused in the past. Let me tell you this. This person was very confused in the past, not knowing what I have to do, what steps I have to take. But now they are going to dive in this particular connection with a lot of clarity. Okay, with a lot of clarity. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm so excited to disclose this card to you all. Guys, I'm telling you, this 29th March, trust me, guys, go ahead, any spell. This is the one time offer. I do not generally come up with 1 day spell work. The only reason why I came up, because I receive so many messages wherein they are looking for budget friendly spell work for 1 day. So here it is. I'm not going to keep it for the entire month. This is only for 29th of March. All right, the next card we have is 10 of Cups. This is why I was hiding it. They are going to come to you, and they are going to unblock you. They are going to open the channel of communication. If they have blocked you, if they haven't, then they are going to come with a lot of clarity, and they are going to propose you forever. Will it make it or break it? I see they will make it. They will make it, guys. They will make it. 29th of March. This is the day. Let that pass and see the changes coming in your life post that. The Emperor. I do see that, I think in this connection, one of the father, maybe your partner's father, your father, I do see that they were acting very fishy, very arrogant, very manipulative. They were not approving of this particular connection, and that is why also was also one of the reason that this particular connection became a little little this thing, this person became a little disinterested, your partner became a little disinterested, but all of a sudden everything is now falling into the right place. And in case if not the father, then it is this person that who was not able to understand the connection initially, because they approached you with a feeling of not very not being very stable, but just for not even time pass, but I would say they just approached you, not keeping anything in mind. Okay, so I do see that now they're coming out of that zone, and I see that this person is feeling very successful. Some rewards and recognition may also be there in your career, in your partner's career. I do see that is going to make you or your person very happy, and that is also going to give this particular connection a lot of boost, positive boost. This person who was not expressing their emotions earlier, they were daydreaming, they were thinking about you. Now is the time when they are going to come back to you, they're going to propose to you, and finally they are going to unblock you. Whatever situation they were facing that time, and they had pushed you away, or you had pushed them away, or none of you were coming to terms, and you guys were equally very stubborn towards each other. Now I see things are going to happen in the right way, the way it should have happened earlier. They are going to come out of their comfort zone, you are going to come out of your comfort zone. Both of you will not be very stubborn, which you were initially. And now I see that this space that you guys took, the 8 of cups, this space that you guys took that time was very important, because that space made you both realize how important you both are to each other. Amazing, beautiful energies, guys, beautiful energies. This 29th of March energies are coming out to be really good. So for few of you, if you are already feeling very anxious right now, depressed, very negative right now, and everything gets on to you right now, if you think that is happening with you right now, do not worry, because this is temporary. Let the time pass. Okay, let April come. What else? What actions are they going to take? The Hermit, they are going to come out of this hermit zone. Okay, they are going to come out of this zone, this silence. They are going to give you that clarity. They have already done a lot of self introspection, and I do see that they have taken their mother's approval as well. Okay, because their mother play a very significant role, or they feel that you are being a little negative, and that time when you took a break, and or when they took a break, they thought that you're becoming very negative. Now is the time when they can make an appearance, because now they feel that they do understand your value. They want to come forward, they want to send you this message, they want to have this beautiful new beginning with you, and they want to be again the same person with you, that light-hearted energy in this connection. They want it back. They want to be with you. They want to be in this beautiful partnership with you. And this time, it is not only a partnership, it is going to be a forever union this time. Beautiful energies, guys. I am telling you, such beautiful energies. I can't believe this. I just can't believe this. So that's about it, guys, for this particular reading. I'm going to suggest 21 days love combo, because that is going to the price is going to increase from 29th of March. Instead of the original price that I had from last few months, the price are going to jump to 51,111 and $800, instead of 41,111 and $650 going forward from 29th of March. So in case you just have today and tomorrow to book 21 days love combo, do it ASAP before the price jump. All right, the announcement is already there from last 1 week. I've been putting it up on my page, so make sure that you do it today and tomorrow. Trust me, guys, this spell will make things happen for you if there is little bit of spark left in this person. And if this reading resonates with you, then you can directly go ahead with the spell work. In case if you want more insights, you can go ahead and have a tailored personalized session with me. I'm always there. The link is in the description box below. You can DM me on Instagram. You can WhatsApp me as well. I'm available on WhatsApp and Instagram both. So you can have a personalized tailored session with me as well. So I'm gonna take your leave, guys. And again, 1 day spell work is also available. But in this particular situation, if you can't afford 21 days, then go ahead for the 1 day. However, my first pick will be 21 days love combo. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I'm gonna see you.